Hey guys, welcome back to my nail Pura. Today's video is a subscriber request. I think I made some salt scrub videos and body scrub videos in the month of June, and they left a comment asking for me to make a foot scrub. And I thought I have all the ingredients in the house to actually make this scrub, so why not go ahead and make it? I do say that if there's anything you guys want me to make, leave it in the comments below, and if I have the ingredients, I'm going to make them. I won't go out and purchase ingredients just to make something that is a subscriber request. So to be honest, leave a comments below. If I have those ingredients in the house, or I can tweak some ingredients I have in the house, I would definitely make something for you guys. So if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I'm the owner of Moneo Pura. I run this business alongside my husband Daniel from our flat in London. We have our website moneopura.com, where you can shop all things Moneo Pura. So let's jump right on into me showing you guys how I make this Himalayan salt foot scrub. So today's video we're making a Himalayan and sugar foot scrub that was requested by a subscriber, and I had all the ingredients, so I decided let's make it. We're making a 50 grams batch of this. We're going to start off with our first ingredients, which is our emulsifying wax. We need 4 grams of our emulsifying wax, 2.5 grams of citric acid, 3.5 grams of shea butter, and 10 grams of sweet almond oil. So I'm going to melt all of this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so these have melted nicely. I'm just gonna mix everything together just to make sure it is completely combined, and if there's any grain sitting at the bottom, it is completely mixed in, so we don't have any issues later. So mix all of that in, and once that's done, cover this up and place this into the freezer until it solidifies, mostly at the top. I will come back. So our base have solidified a little bit, so I'm just going to scrape the bottom and mix everything together to make sure that there is no clumps on the side or underneath. And also remember to scrape your spatula as well. Make sure everything's completely combined. So now we're going to add our fragrance, preservative, vitamin E, and then our salts. Okay, so we're going to add the rest of our ingredients now. We start with our preservative. Of course, let's bring the scale back. So for our preservative, we need 0.5 grams. For our fragrance, we need 1 gram. 1 gram. Another pipette, 1 gram. Perfect. And our vitamin E, we need 0.3 grams. Okay, so this is a 50 grams batch of this foot scrub that we're making. I'm gonna mix all of that in before adding our salt and sugar. I think when it comes to foot scrub, you can use any fragrance you want. I think peppermint is quite a popular one. Tea tree is another popular one. But you can really use any fragrance you want. The Himalayan salt, we need 7.5. And then for our sugar, we need 20.7. You can just use sugar. If you don't have Himalayan salt, you can use just sugar. So 20.5. Now we're going to set everything to the side and mix it all in. Look at that pretty pink color. That is really stunning. I am going to add just a touch of color to this, just to give it a fun look. The color I'm adding is Flirt by Mad Micas. So I'm not really weighing anything out. I just need Just want to add a touch at a time until I get the desired color that I want. Just a little at a time, because the pink is already really pretty, so we just want to enhance that pink a little bit. I like the way it's looking already. Just a tiny touch more. Lovely. Okay, here is our final color. That looks stunning, doesn't it? Okay, so let's place this into a container. So I've just finished making the scrub. I decided to add a color to it. The color was already quite pretty. It was really pink, but I had this color in mind from Mad Mica, which is the color that I used. And I think this color really brought out the scrub. It made it a little bit more fun, a little bit more interesting, especially for something you're going to be posting on social media. If you are not going to be selling this, you can just stick with the color of the scrub, because the pink Himalayan salt color is so pretty. And if you don't have Himalayan salt, like I mentioned in that video, you can just stick with sugar and that would do the job. The scent that I used for this foot scrub was mint and orange, because I didn't want it to just be mint. I wanted a little bit of sweetness to it as well. So I used sweet orange alongside with peppermint. You can just use peppermint if you want that tingly feeling. You can use peppermint and tea tree, or you can use one or the other. They would all work. Whichever fragrance that you like, just use that fragrance. It doesn't really matter. If you don't want it to be fragrance, then don't use fragrance. Don't use essential oils. It's up to you. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this video here. If you guys made it this far, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Smash the notification bell. More importantly, like the video, leave me a comment, and send this video to someone else who you know can support the channel, because we're trying to get our view count up. So the more videos that you watch, the more videos that people watch is going to really help us greatly. So thank you for watching. Follow us on all our socials. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.